Okay, red వచ్చింది. Okay. Yes, now let us calculate y2. So y2 means we have to calculate y at 0.2. So we have seen here x value, x0 we are starting at 0, x1 is at 0.1, x2 is at 0.2. So correspondingly we have calculated y1. Now let us calculate y2. So what is the formula required for y2? This is the formula. So y2 is equal to y1 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Therefore k1 is equal to h into f of x1 y1. So what is our h? 0.1. H there will not be any change. So students get confused and they will increase h value also because we are increasing here x and y values. 0.1 into f of x1. So what is our x1? Already we have written here 0.1. Or y1 just now we got, it is 1.1169. So if you evaluate with the previous procedure, so here we will get k1 as 0.13592. Similarly, k2 is equal to h into f of x1 plus half h and y1 plus half k1. So this is h into h is 0.1. So we will substitute 0.1 into f of x1 plus half h. x1 plus half h is 0.15. x1 is 0.1. So h 0.05. It is 0.15. And similarly y1 plus half k1. Divide this with 2 and add it to y1 1.1169. So it will be 1.1849. So if you evaluate, this value will be 0.1582. So using calc you can evaluate. K3 is equal to h into f of x1 plus half h and y1 plus half k2. So this is 0.1 into f of x1 plus half h is 0.15 and divide k2 with 2 and add it to y1. So it will be 1.196. So if you substitute in the function again, instead of x 0.15 and instead of y 1.196, you will get 0.160982. 0.160982. Next, finally k4. K4 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h, y1 plus k3. So if you substitute, this is 0.1 into f of x1 plus h. x1 plus h is nothing but x2. 0.2 and y1 plus k3 is 1.2779. So if you evaluate, this value will be 0.1889. So now we will substitute all the obtained values in the formula y2. So y2 is equal to y1. What is our y1? 1.1169 plus 1 by 6 into k1. So k1 value is 0.13592 plus 2 times k2. k2 is 0.1582 plus 2 times 0.160982 plus k4 0.1889. So if you evaluate, this value will be 1.2774. Therefore y2 means y at 0.2 is equal to 1.2774. So this is about RK method. So see the problem once.